Pop quiz. Which gets rid of oily grime faster? Plain water or a little soap? You've got 5 seconds. Go. Time's up. It's soap. More on why in the next few minutes. In this video, you'll learn how soaps lift grease, what micelles are, why soap struggles in hard water, and how detergents keep cleaning, plus a quick guide to better washing. First, the problem. Oily dirt is mostly hydrocarbons, which are nonpolar. Water is polar. Like dissolves like. So water alone doesn't mix with oil and the grime stays put. Now, the helper. Soap is a salt of a long-chain fatty acid, a molecule with 2 parts, a hydrophobic tail that loves oil and a hydrophilic head that likes water. That split nature is the secret. In water, soap molecules self-assemble into micelles. Tails tuck into the oil, heads face the water. Oil gets trapped inside the micelle. So, what happens next? Those micelles disperse through water to form an emulsion. Now, the grime is packaged into tiny, water-friendly droplets you can rinse away. Mythbuster? Soap doesn't kill dirt. It surrounds and lifts oily particles so water can remove them. So far, we've covered the micelle model, why it traps oil, and how that makes grime rinsable. Want to turn those milestones into mastery? Tap the link to access the practice test, flashcards, and study guide, then jump right back into the video. Lock in what you learned and keep going. However, here's the catch. In hard water, which is rich in calcium and magnesium ions, soap's carboxylate heads bind those ions and form insoluble salts or soap scum. The result? Fewer micelles, weaker lather, and poorer cleaning. Same soap, different water. Soft water gives stable lather and easy rinsing. Hard water gives less lather, sticky residue, wasted soap. On the other hand, detergents use head groups like sulfonates or sulfates. Their calcium or magnesium salts stay more soluble, so no scum and micelles still form. That's why detergents work well in hard water. Now, let's talk products. For skin and hair, products use milder surfactant blends and conditioning agents to clean without being too harsh. Laundry formulas push cleaning power, while shampoos aim for mild, manageable foam and feel. What's a common mistake? Dumping in more soap in hard water. That usually just makes more scum. What helps is more agitation and using enough surfactant to get above the critical micelle concentration, the level where micelles actually form, or switching to a detergent. All right, here's the quick routine. Wet the surface, add a little soap, work up lather for about 20 seconds, and rinse well so micelles carry the grime away. For laundry in hard water, use a detergent or add a water softener. So now let's take a quick recap. Soap's dual nature forms micelles that lift oil. Hard water makes soap scum and kills lather. Detergents keep working by avoiding that scum. So cleaning holds up. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.